or they try to.
Every weekday morning, it's the Newstyle Breakfast Show with Chicken George and Cece.
That's not me.
That was you.
It's not.
Why wasn't it you?
A bad man, a bad tradesman always blames his tool.
If you don't know me by now.
Oh gosh, do I?
That was you.
It wasn't me.
Every time you go tip tap tip 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 tip.
Right, I won't do it now.
Don't do it anymore, please. Good morning, kids.
Mr. Scissorhands himself, the professional hairstylist.
Why? I'm a convert.
Every weekday morning, it's the Newstyle Breakfast Show with Chicken George and Cece.